Order! Order in the court.
Are you nervous? Since this is your first trial and all.
Just a little bit. But I have to stay focused. Our client is counting on us.
I like your spirit, Kale. Right?
Ladies and gentlemen, the court is now in session. Prosecution, make your case.
Thank you, Your Honor. Last week, a young girl named Chi-Chi was put through funerary rites against her will. The ceremony caused her to pass into the afterlife. And the person who put her through all that misery was none other than Miss Hu Tao. The prosecution charges Hu Tao with kidnapping and voluntary manslaughter.
Hold it! You can't assume that Hu Tao performed those rites just because she's a funeral director. Where's your evidence?
Dr. Baiju brought Chi-Chi back as a witness to her own murder. Let's hear her own words.
She taunted me while I was in the coffin. Awful girl. Her voice, I can't forget.
Do you admit your guilt, defendant?
No way. That night, I helped send Chi-Chi to where she belongs.
She made a confession?
Your Honor, the defense has clearly admitted their guilt. For emotional distress and endangerment, my client will settle for no less than 10 million mora.
That's more than my entire salary for the whole year!
Objection! Amber? Was Chi-Chi legally alive when she was sent to the afterlife? A zombie? Is definitely not alive. Therefore, I don't see a murder case here.
That's right.
Honored members of the jury, the act of guiding the departed to the afterlife is recognized as a protected Liyue tradition.
As a funeral parlor director, my client was merely providing an essential service. Therefore, she was well within her rights to perform those rites.
All against a poor girl's will, you mean?
No matter what you try to pin on her, my client's not guilty under any existing laws.
Oh, the judge got eaten.
Does that mean that we're having a recess? I feel like I've seen this whale somewhere before.
Oh yeah, you know, it's the Holonormal from the other show that got canceled. Is that even a hologram?
Well, this is getting a bit out of hand. Let's just pull the lever and power it down.
We can! The whale swallowed both the lever and the judge.
All right then, violence it is!
Now that we're taking drastic measures, we need to work together.
Hu Tao, take it leave. Exercise it, and I will forgive your crimes.
Sure, this should be fun.
Wait! Only the Chief Justice can sentence the defendant to community service!
Let him loose!
Nothing's working.
Make way, you two!
The tides beckon. What a fine mess you've made, intruder.
Oh, Judge's alive.
I apologize for the inconvenience, but in light of the disturbance, this trial will take a brief recess.
Do we build a client extra for the whale?
You know, that's a really good question.